Good morning students. Today we are going to start the chapter 8 that is short run equilibrium output. What is the meaning of short run? Short run is defined as a period of time during which technology plays no role. It means technology remains constant in the economy. We cannot increase the technology in short run period. Output will be determined only and only by the level of employment. How we are going to determine output? Output can be determined through the level of employment. What is the meaning of that? If the economy want to increase the production, if economy want to increase the output, they can increase their output by increasing the employment, not increasing the technology, because it's a short run period. In short run period, technology remain constant. Only we can increase the employment. If economy want to increase the level of output, then they have to increase the level of employment. It means what is the concept of behind it? How we are going to determine the level of output. If there in the economy there is a higher level of employment in the economy, it means there will be the higher level of output. Output can be increases by increasing the level of employment. So because of this reason, that is the direct relationship between output and employment. Output can be increases through employment. It cannot be increases through the technology because technology remains constant in short run period. So if employment is double, then output will be double. Clear? So we can increase the production till in the economy there is a situation of unemployment. It means then only we can increase the output. If once there is a full employment in the economy, we cannot increase the output in the economy because output is determined with the level of employment. Clear? What is the meaning of that? It means if there is unemployment in the economy, it means unutilized resources. Unutilized resources, it means unutilized manpower in the economy. Then only we can increase the level of output. If economy want to increase the output, economy has to increase the employment. If there is any situation to increase the employment, if there is a situation of full employment in the economy, how the economy will increase the employment? Employment cannot be increases. If employment cannot be increases, output cannot be increased in the economy. Output can be increases in the economy in short run period when you can increase your employment, and for that your unemployment situation should be there. Clear? Then only we can increase the production. You can see what is the meaning of short run period. Short run period can be defined a period of time in which during which technology remains constant and output is determined with the level of employment. The level of output is determined with the level of employment. Clear? Now, the next topic, that is concept of equilibrium output. The next is concept of equilibrium. Second topic, that is concept of equilibrium. Short run means in which period technology remains constant and output is determined through the level of employment. Now where will be our equilibrium point? Equilibrium of output refers to that level of output in the economy where AD is equal to AS. All of you know what is the meaning of AD? AD, it means it is a sum total of demand which buyers want to buy at a different level of income in a accounting year. That means that is known as an aggregate demand. AS it means aggregate supply. Aggregate supply means that it is the sum of the supply and it is the sum total of the output which producer wish to produce in the economy during a an accounting year, that is known as the aggregate supply. So where will be the equilibrium point? Where AD will be equal to AS. Clear? There is one approach, AD equal to AS, and the second approach, that is S equal to I. How we are going to get S equal to I? S means saving, I means investment. AD equal to AS, that approaches S equal to I, that comes from the AD equal to AS. AD, all of you know what are the components of AD? C plus I. AS, I told you AS and Y equal to the same thing. Now, all I told you also, part of the income, either we are consuming, either we are saving. So, what are the components of Y or AS? That is C plus S. Now, how we are going to determine that? AD equal to AS. Look at here, AD equal to C plus I equal to AS C plus S. Cancel it. So, the second approach which we have got, that is I equal to S from AD equal to AS. So, where will be our equilibrium level of income or equilibrium level of output? That will be that point where AD equal to AS or S equal to I. There are two approaches by which we can find out equilibrium point. Clear? Now, first approach, if AD all of you know plant demand and AS all of you know plant supply. So, if that will be AD equal to AS, it means in that condition whatever the buyers want to demand is exactly equal to whatever the producer want to sell or want to supply. Clear? That point is known as the equilibrium point, where desired demand, it is also known as desired demand, whatever the buyers want to demand is exactly equal to desired supply which producer want to supply. Clear? Now in that condition there will not be the excess stock in the economy, no excess stock or no scarcity of stock in the economy, because both the points are equal. No excess stock will be in the economy and no scarcity of stock. Clear? If that is not their point, when AD is not equal to AS, then what happened? That is the alternative which I am going to explain. If AD is not equal to AS, suppose AD is greater than AS, the situation arises in that point where AD is equal to excess. At the time, no excess stock is there, no unfulfilled demand will be there. Clear? It means no scarcity of stock will be there. If suppose there is a situation arise where AD is higher than AS, what happened in that condition? It means desired demand will be higher and supply will be less. Desired demand will be higher and desired supply will be less. In that condition, what happened? Producer has to suffer loss. Why it will be loss? Because the producer are not able to fulfill the demand, because demand is higher. Producers suffer loss due to unfulfilled demand. Clear? Because due to the scarcity of stock, desired demand is higher and supply is lower. Because of this reason, which kind of situation arises? Scarcity of stock. Due to the scarcity of stock or less stock, less supply, producers suffer loss due to unfulfilled demand. Producer will not be able to fulfill the demand. So producers never want this situation. Because of this reason, he will opt which point? Where AD equal to AS. Clear? So that there will not be the scarcity of stock in the economy. I hope all of you have cleared this point. Now B point I am going to explain here. That is, suppose when AD is less than AS. If AD equal to AS, it is not it is there, and the situation what is there when AD is less than AS. It means demand will be less than desired supply. So in that condition, what will be there? Supply is higher, production is higher. So the producer again has to face the loss due to the excess stock. And this excess stock he is not able to sell into the market. Because of this reason, he will again suffer a loss. Producer definitely will suffer loss. Producer suffer loss. Why he will suffer loss? Because due to the excess stock, and he will not be able to, due to excess stock, and he will not be able to sell in the market due to the scarcity of demand, not sale in the market due to the less demand. So producer never want this kind of situation also. Due to this reason, they are going to find out which kind of situation where they are not going to face any kind of problem of excess stock and scarcity of stock. Because of this reason, the equilibrium point will be at what point? Where AD is equal to AS. It means where the buyers wish to buy is exactly equal to producer wish to sell. Clear? Now, what is the meaning of equilibrium point? Where AD is equal to AS. A second approach, that is where S equal to I, it means saving equal to investment. Now, what is the meaning of short-term equilibrium output? Short-term, all of you know, in which the output is determined with the level of output, level of employment, technology remain constant. And where will be the equilibrium point? Where AD is equal to AS. Clear? If AD will be higher than AS, then also producer will suffer loss. If AD is less than AS, then also producer suffer loss. Due to this reason, producer will try to achieve which kind of situation where AD is equal to AS. Clear? That point will be known as a equilibrium point.